Right, okay folks, so I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube in regards to the M140's secret mode. So this is an M140i 68 plate. It's done 35,000 miles. So apparently you can make the exhaust really burble and cackle on the revs. So this is in comfort. Nothing. Sport. A little bit. Now this button here, if I press and hold it for about 5-6 seconds, you're going to see the dash change, and the dash is going to say DSC off. Okay, DSC off. Now listen. That's all you've got to do, but I would not recommend driving with this mode because basically you've got no stability control and no traction. But yeah, that sounds mega. By the way, the car is warm. Thank you for watching.